In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to fork a project in Replit. Forking, also called remixing on Replit, lets you create your own copy of an existing project so you can experiment safely, make changes, and keep the original untouched. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and give a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to replit.com. Make sure you're signed into your account before continuing. That way, your copy will be saved to your workspace and available across devices. Next, navigate to Projects. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar or under your workspace menu. This view lists your apps and repls in one place. Find the project you want to fork. Hover over it and open the three dots menu, the More Options icon. From that menu, choose Remix. In Replit, Remix is the same as Fork. It creates a brand new copy under your account, leaving the source project exactly as it is. You'll now see fields to set up the new copy. Give the clone a clear, memorable name so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. A simple convention is to keep the base name and add remix or a brief purpose. You can also add a short description. This adds helpful context about what this remix is for. Next, choose the visibility for this remixed project, public or private. Public projects can be discovered and viewed by others, which is great for sharing or getting feedback. Private projects are only visible to you and people you explicitly share with. Availability of private projects can depend on your plan, so choose what fits your needs. When everything looks good, click Remix App to create the copy. If you're on a free tier, keep an eye on your project limit to avoid hitting a cap. After a moment, Replit will open your new remixed project in the editor. You now have a safe, independent environment to run, edit, and iterate without affecting the original. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.